Hi everyone, and welcome to my new studio. Right, I am doing some more testing today. Specifically, I am testing diluted boom paints to see whether I could conquer my nemesis, and that being the blow dryer pour. I've really nearly never had any luck with it. So I've got some boom gel stains. The base is a sterling wax white, and I've mixed them all 2 parts boom to 1 part distilled water. And the colors I'm using, I've got limited edition fawn, metallic copper, I've got some gold. Oh, this is a gorgeous color, native violet purple, absolutely stunning, goldy and finch mauve, and a baronia burgundy. So because this hairdryer is going to make some noise, I will speed up the video, turn the sound down, and I'll speak to you shortly. Oh my, look at these reactions. I'm blown away. I mean, completely and utterly blown away. I wonder if I want to do some curly cues. I think I do. There's a bit much copper or gold just there. So I'm just gonna see what I can do. And I'm back after about 15 minutes because the white keeps developing some. But just look at these cells. Oh my goodness. It's just insane. It looks like a blue. It really does. Let me put the flash on so you can see the shimmer. And here we are with the flash. Let me show you the copper and the gold. Oh, that is so pretty. I love these cells in the middle. I don't think I should have done the swirls. They're not bad, but as the white wanted to take over there anyway, I could have just left it. And there's a bit of sparkle just here in the corner as well. Oh, I'm so happy. It's so pretty. So leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And thank you so much for joining me. See you soon. Bye.